Hello everyone. In this video, we made a list of biggest fear of children from different countries. So let's get started.
Poland, go to dentist. China, coronavirus. Russia, spiders. Argentina, darkness. Thailand, airplane. Spain, clown. Japan, swimming. United Kingdom, height. Turkey, earthquake. Germany, fail in school exams. Mexico, dogs. Pakistan, being kidnapped. United States of America, haunted house. Brazil, being alone. Saudi Arabia, terrorist attacks. Australia, injections. Bangladesh, snakes. Malaysia, ghosts. India, fear of exams. Italy, run out of food. Canada, mom punishment. Philippines, public speech. Indonesia, fire. South Korea, thunderstorm.